Hi guys, welcome back to Happy Homework. Many of you have asked me to make a video about closet or wardrobe organization, which was one of my favorite work before having kids. This was my closet when I was in Bangalore and was a working woman. You can see here, everything was properly folded and organized. You won't believe, but my closet always used to look like this, neat and tidy. But to maintain an organized closet, you need two things, time and energy. Before I became a mother, I used to spend at least 30 minutes every weekend just to organize my closet. Honestly, nowadays, after spending my entire day running behind two super active kids, I don't have any time or energy to organize my closet. But I also hate to dump everything in one box and to search for my clothes like this every single day. I am sure many of you would relate to my situation. That's why in today's video I am going to show you how I organize my closet in less than 5 minutes by using hangers and without folding any clothes. So let's begin.
Take a wire hanger and some plastic clothespins. Most clothespins have a small hole at the end. Open the wire hanger and add clothespins to it. Use this multi-hanger to hang your everyday t-shirts and tops. You may also hang all your patialas, leggings and other pants. Easy to see and easy to take out. If you don't have a metal hanger, take a regular plastic hanger and some small metal clothespins. Simply place the metal clothespins on the hanger. This way, you can organize all your regular t-shirts and pants on one hanger without folding them. Take a plastic hanger, some old bangles, cello tape and super glue or Fevikwik. Glue two bangles together using super glue to make a thick and sturdy ring. Make multiple rings like this and attach to the plastic hanger using cello tape. Add some super glue into the gaps to fix it properly. Let it dry completely before using. Use this hanger to hang all your dupattas or shawls. You may also hang your patialas, leggings and palazzo pants to this multi-hanger. You may also hang your dupattas or shawls directly on any hanger with a simple knot. This way, you can take out one dupatta without disturbing the other.
So these are the ways in which I utilize hangers to save myself from folding mountains of clothes. I know that this is not a very neat or super good looking way of organizing, but it saves my time and that's what matters to me. If you have any time saving ideas like this, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like the ideas shown in this video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time. Till then, happy time saving.